My name is Sergeant Gary Boggs. I was in the military for 10 years. I was in the United States Army. My final tour was in Iraq, which ultimately medically retired me due to a roadside bomb. After retiring from the Army in 2004, I decided to purchase a rental investment property. I found something that worked for me, and it was doing real estate investing and having rental properties. It's how I earn a living and support my family. Part of being a responsible homeowner or property owner is having flood insurance. I wanted to protect my biggest asset. When Hurricane Irma hit, my rental property filled with nearly a foot of water. It pretty much devastated everything and destroyed, countertops, my floors, appliances, furniture. I was very lucky and fortunate to have flood insurance. And my agent was there with me every step of the way, helping me file a claim and getting an advance payment, even making sure I found a great restoration company and contractor. So had it not been for flood insurance, I don't know what would have happened. With my flood insurance, I know that there's a light at the end of the tunnel. It's like car insurance or homeowner's insurance, you shouldn't be without it.